Hi everyone, it's Louise from Louloupurple. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who sent lovely messages. It is really appreciated. Thank you. So for today's project, I'm going to be showing you the Alice in Wonderland Impossible card kits from the Papercraft Essentials magazine, issue 186. So this is what you get inside your kit. You get 10 backing papers for your Impossible cards, but they only give you, I think it's about 6 bits of card, and you get the die cuts to go onto your card. Now the first one took me a little while to actually figure out how to do, so that was my first attempt. And my second attempt, I'm now going to show you how I did it. So on your pre-cut pieces of paper, you have small notches which you need to cut out. So you need to cut that down the middle and then the 2 side pieces. You then need to take the middle section and fold it up to the edge of the other side and use your bone folder to make a nice crisp fold. You then need to fold the left hand side piece back on itself. So I'll show you that once again. That's how it was. Flip that left hand piece back and then fold it down. But to actually get it onto the card, now this was a confusing bit, you actually have to cut this top layer in half because you can't stick it to the card and do the same process. It's a bit hard to explain, but it took me a while to figure out. So I'm actually cutting off the one section of this paper just along the fold. And then I'm going to use my tape to stick this down onto my piece of card. You then need to cut the white card down the 3 sections that we cut before and fold the middle piece back on itself again. You can then flip the bottom piece over and stick the other part of your backing paper onto the top part of the card. Here I'm just trimming off the white piece of card. So next I'm going to use some of the die cuts that you get in the kit to decorate the card. Here I'm using my Sticks to foam pads to add a bit of dimension. And as normal, I'm using my Cosmic Shimmer acrylic glue to stick onto the pads to give myself a bit of wiggle time. I then use some more of the die cuts on the card kit to add more embellishments to my card. So that is my second attempt of the impossible cards. Now when you've finished making all your impossible cards, you will have quite a few bits left over. So now I'm just going to show you what I did with some of the leftover parts of the kit. And that is the first card that I made from all the leftover bits. I did 4 in total, so I'll just show you the others. This magazine is still available to buy on my website, and if you would like to buy any of the other products I've used in this video, they will be listed on my website blog post. I will leave a link in the description box below this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Links to my website, Facebook and more will be in the description box below, or click on the end screen at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you got inspired. Don't forget to stay safe and stay at home. If you need a chat, please feel free to email me. I will answer all of your messages, but it may take me a few days to get back to you. So take care everyone and stay safe. Bye for now.